You're right.
Do you want a crisp sandwich?
No, I'm alright. How's it going, guys? Coming in episode 3 of Unusual Hotels. Still on Camp Hill Estate in Kirklington, North Yorkshire. Moving over to another section they have called Camp Couture, which is within the same grounds. And tonight we are staying in a Geodome. Not sure what to expect of the Geodome, are you?
No, I think it'd be quite magical, to be honest.
Seen photos online and they look like big bubbles, don't they? Like the Crystal Maze. So hopefully the weather picks up, we'll get some good photos, and we may even get a bit of stargazing in.
Okay, keep going straight.
Touchdown Camp Couture, and Lauren's back on wheelbarrow duty.
We dry? We dry. Let's go, Barbara. Time to see what the Geodome's all about then.
Those flowers are from a wedding shoot, by the way, guys.
Yeah, our wedding.
Kept them anyway. We'll chuck them on the narrowboat. So this is Camp Couture. They've got all sorts of teepees and tents, but then what you can't quite see on the vlog, I don't think, is round the outside they've got random safari tents. There's a couple more tents back there in the trees, and we are heading in there somewhere to find the Geodome. Don't know what that is over there, but it's got a hot tub in the garden. Lauren's being silly today, guys. Go on, keep walking or you'll be ending up in that tent there. Can you see the Geodome yet?
That one over there.
On the left?
I think so.
Cool. Get your wellies on.
This is why I chose wheelbarrow duties yesterday, because I knew this field was way tougher.
I feel like I've been stitched up a bit here, guys. Lauren trying to get them cinematics in. Oh, it's stuck! Someone say! We made it. What's the name on the door?
Zora.
Zora the Explorer.
That's me, guys.
Welcome to our crib. Alright, I'll give you a quick tour of the outside and then we'll jump in. So here we have got cooking facilities, like a tiny little kitchen, gas hobs. Again, everything you need really to cook off grid. Just round from the kitchen is the front door, well, back door, but front door, only door. Round the back here is the shower block, little hot water shower, running straight down. And finally, the toilet, which is surprisingly clean and kind of modern, man. I like that. Even got a little sink bucket as a basin. Go on then, Loza, take us inside. Bigfoot wipes. What do you reckon?
Quirky.
Quirky? What we expected?
Yeah, I think so.
Like a big bubble, really.
Yeah, I like the window.
Little clothes rack, footstool, small double bed for me and Loza. Wood burner, very important tonight. And a dressing table.
Love the yellow touch as well.
Yeah, nice. Oh, and there's even a little patio, barbecue area outside. But it's been hammering down today, so that's going to be no use to us. So once again, we're completely off grid. There's running water, no electricity. Good little cooking setup, but we're running low on supplies in the camper, aren't we?
Yeah.
So I think we may go out for dinner tonight, guys.
Definitely. Burger and chips get in my belly, mate.
So this is the view from the front of the Geodome. They're like all sorts of teepees, tents, bell tents. We're engrossed within the walking trails, as you can see. A couple of happy hikers in there. First thing we've got to do is grab some quick photos. The second thing that needs to happen is this boy needs a shower. This is so random. I feel like I'm in like a little hobbit hole in the middle of the forest. Well, we are in a little bubble in the middle of the forest. I'll tell you what, it is not warm out here. It's the middle of October and it is pretty cold, so hopefully we can get a bit of hot water. We're good, guys. It's nice and warm. Right, should we go get some food? Okay guys, if this is your first vlog, please don't judge us that we've just landed in an off-grid camping facility and we're going straight to the pub for food. But we've been on the road for over a week now and we've also run out of rations. So we were either going to the shop to pick up food and cook, and we thought why not treat ourselves to a bit of pub grub. Tell you what, this is some setting, isn't it? Oh, unreal. Bit of pink up there. bit of dark there, and then a bit more pink, and there's our little bubble for the night. I'm glad we're not in that tonight. We would freeze. That is unreal, man. What are you saying about that sky?
That is unreal.
Wow. England, guys. This is England. Let's eat, baby.
Yeah, boy.
I think we've earned this, haven't we, Lol?
That was all him, not me.
Cherry bait, well done, mate. Alright, guys, we've arrived back at camp. Lauren's just grabbing a bits out of the van.
I've got cozy in my jumper and my joggers.
Obviously, it's pitch black now, so this should be a challenge walking across that field. It's like the shepherd's hut all over again, guys. Home sweet home, look at this. Get me in there and get the fire on. Looking cozy. Not too cold.
Should we get the fire going?
But time to get the fire going. Lozza's on fire duty tonight. Go on, Lozza.
We've got a dead match, guys. Should we try again?
Take two.
Ready?
Action. We've got the fire going. Similar setup to last night with our phones each side for the bedside lighting. Fairy lights flickering. 21st century campers. Lauren's a bit nervous because we see a couple of spiders. So we went on a little spider squishing mission.
This is my champion spider killer.
And there was even a wasp in here, so we had to get that out.
It was on the fire.
I wish I got that on the vlog. Lauren's just checking out her logs, laying out her ammunition, and she's found a couple of tea lights, haven't you?
Yeah, I think we're going to have them over there, a bit of light.
Another little source of light. Look at that! Toilet and teeth runs. Alright, welcome to the dunny. And this is what we've got in the back of the camper. Ah, well that is handy. That is not doing a great job. Get your torch back out, love. God, what would we do without you? Tell you what, considering when you're in the middle of the forest, look at the force of that tap. Are you alright, Lo?
Bit scared.
Sing us a song. Tucked up, in bed, ready for the night. Bit of a short, sharp vlog.
But we did just hear a gunshot outside, so
Yeah.
hopefully we can continue this vlog in the morning.
Don't say that. 10 o'clock, 10 PM gunshots.
Is it a scarecrow in a field, do you think?
I don't know what you mean by that.
You know when they blow it in the field so the birds fly off the crops?
I don't know.
Have you ever heard that before?
Anyway, touch wood we see you in the morning, guys, and this vlog makes it onto YouTube. At least the fire's looking nice anyway. Morning from the Geodome. Come on! How was the sleep?
Yeah, comfy.
Comfy sleep. I woke up once, I was absolutely freezing.
I woke up for a wee as well. I was a bit scared in that forest.
Oh, did you go for a wee in the night?
Yeah, I was really scared.
And then, now we've just woke up, it is about 8:15, and I'm absolutely sweating.
The sun is beaming on us.
Pretty cool way to start the day though. Misty mornings, nice bit of lighting. We actually just had a little rabbit run by, but I missed it, man.
Keep your socks on, lad.
Definitely gonna need these on this morning. Can't I get any peace around here?
Thanks.
Oi! How you getting on in the kitchen, Lozza?
Well, try 10 matches now.
Show me what happened.
Would you Adam and Eve it? I think the kettle is boiling, but because it's burnt a little bit here, it's not going. Well, look who was wrong.
Spoke too soon. Get me that porridge. I'm absolutely freezing. Are you cold?
That's going to warm my belly up some more.
That is better. Good?
Nice and warm.
Nice and warm. And now we've got squirrels for neighbours. Right, guess it's time to say goodbye to the Geodome. And that is some next level mushroom. Load her up.
There she goes.
Good to go?
Bullseye.
Oh, don't forget the flowers. Alright guys, that is us. Got the barrow.
Got the barrow.
Saying goodbye to our little Geodome here in Kirklandton. Yeah, solid experience. I didn't know quite what to make of it before we arrived, but definitely got the bucket list tick. Bit bright to sign out here, but we're going to give it a go.
Can't see you.
Seen a lot of these online. Glad we can say we've finally stayed in a Geodome.
Tick.
Massive thanks to the guys at Camp Couture, Camp Hill Estate. We are off now, got a 3-hour drive back to the narrowboat, 1 sleep, and then we're up in the morning off to London to celebrate our 4-year anniversary.
Bye bye Geodome.
Bye bye Geodome. And we'll see you for the next episode of Unusual Hotels coming up in a couple of weeks' time.
Gonna miss you, Barry.
Now we've got to attack this wheelbarrow mission. Back to the van over there somewhere. You alright, Loza?
I think the horror just kicked in.
Catch you on the next one.